Wendy Lynn Phillips will inspire and energize you. With over 25 years of professional speaking experience as a beauty and image expert, she captivates and engages her audience. Her topics vary from savvy business finesse, improving your image will improve your paycheck, customer service, investment wardrobing, and creating beauty on a budget. If you're re-entering the workforce or just need a boost, Wendy Lynn's N2K Workshops is guaranteed to take you from naked to knockout. Contact Wendy today to speak to your group or have her become your personal beauty and image coach.